G'day guys, finally I get the chance to actually put these on my bike. So Mike from Ride Culture, you can see there, Ride Culture, he sent me these probably about a month and a half ago, and I've been waiting for my bike to arrive back from America from our huge trip from the west coast to the east back to the west coast of America. So I've been waiting for my bike to arrive back in Australia and put these on. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So what are these? These are, as you can see here, they're bag lights. They actually have indicators and brake function, and I got the smoked version, so to suit my Jack Daniels Challenger, Indian Challenger. And what do they come with? Okay, so in the box you got all of the wiring harness and all of the plugs and plug and play. This is a plug and play kit. We have the instructions. I think there's actually two of them. There's one lot there and another lot here. They're really well set out. These guys have done a pretty good job in explaining how to put these together. And this is one of the lights there, and here's another one. Now, so as you can see, they're packaged pretty well. That's the smoked one, and on the back they've already got the 3M tape ready to go with the little wiring harness. So I will be putting these on my bike. Let me show you where they're going to go. So what there you can see the bag on the back of the pannier. So these will actually sit like so, as such. So I'm going to be putting them on, and hopefully when they're in operation they look pretty good. So I will do that and show you what the install is all about. Okay, so first part of the process is we've got to actually take the seat off. I'm not going to show you how to do that because everybody knows how to take the seat off a Challenger. So you locate the wiring loom, which is that one there, and we piggy it up or piggyback it with this wiring harness that they provide. So I'll be doing that and showing you once that's been completed how it looks. Okay, so I've put the new harness piggyback in, and I've run the cables, electrical cables for the bag lights out the side. And I've tried to do this without interrupting anything with the suspension here, and as you can see I've just got it coming out here. So I'll get these connected, and hopefully they'll be on the right side of the light, so I've got the left and rights correct. So now I've got the bags off. There they are sitting there on the workbench. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use some of this wax and grease remover, and I'm going to clean this area here, but I'm also going to be cleaning this area here where the lights are going to go. So I'll do that now and give them a bit of a clean up. Okay, so I'm going to be just rubbing this area of the 3M tape. Apparently this activates the little atoms or whatever it is in here, makes it stick better. So I'm just going to do that now and place them on the bags. So what I'm going to also do is just put them a little bit lower. So I'm going to put them part up against the bag like so, and then just drop them down slightly. Now the reason why I'm doing that is when you close the bag lid, you always want them to be clear so they're not hitting in any way. So I'm just going to try that, and I think that looks pretty good. I'll give that a go. Ready for the outside. can see me, I'm just going to do a bit of a rough test just to make sure that they look all right. Just making sure that they're actually flush. Just lift this one up a bit. Yep, I'm pretty happy with that. All right, so then we run the wires through to here, join them up to the original loom. You've got these little stick-on, what do you call them? Little stick-on brackets and cable ties, so you can run the wire and keep them all nice and neat. So I won't show you that, it'd be boring, but I think the next stage is I'll show you when they're on the bike. Okay, back soon. Okay, so you can see I've just left the tags on so you can see that a little bit easier because the light's getting a bit, I don't know if you can see that, there we go. So I've just put these little, systematically just put these little double-sided little clamps, brackets on with the cable ties. Made sure I kept them underneath this point so they don't get caught up when you tighten them up on the bike. So I'll clean these up and I'll do the same on this side. As you can see, got them there and there, and I'll do the same on this side. Okay, getting closer. Okay, so just cable tied everything there, so that'll run down in here like so, and should connect to the existing wiring loom, and I've done the same on this side here, and that'll connect back down to the existing wiring loom. So okay, so we'll put them on the bike and see what they look like. All right, so job done. As you can see, I'm just tucking in the wires on behind the panel there, so that's just sitting there nice and neatly, and I'm just going to push that down like so. So that's the wiring done, so that's just sitting there like so. So let's give it a go, let's see what they look like. So that's not too bad. We'll put indicators on. There are your indicators. And that's it. And obviously the brake lights also work. Bryant M1 bag lights. Thanks guys, and I hope you enjoyed it.